Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on adding images to your Squarespace blog. Images, very important. They can enhance the visual appeal of your blog post on squarespace.com. You know, squarespace.com is a powerful platform that is going to help you illustrate your point and engage with all your readers using your images in the blog on your website in squarespace.com. So in this video, I will be showing you guys how to add different images to your Squarespace blog post. So in order to add images to your Squarespace blog post, you must know how to create a blog page on Squarespace. So if you are a previous user, hopefully you guys know that how to create a blog post, but if you don't know it, we are going to give you a quick tutorial on how to create the blog post, and it will be easy for you to, add an image. So let's just get started. First thing first, what you need to do is go to your squarespace.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password and email account, or you can also use your Google account to sign up. After that, it is going to direct you to this tab of the dashboard or to your home screen. So if you are a newbie, these websites are not going to appear on your screen because these were previously created sites that were saved by me, but they're going to expire because I'm a free user. But if you are a newbie, you're simply going to go click on create website. Then you're going to be answering a few simple questions so that this is the type of the site that is going to appear on your screen. So let's just answer a few simple questions that are going to help you create a new website where you can add your blog post. So what is your site about? It could be about photography, it could be about design, it could be about education, consulting, art, health, marketing, technology, construction, maintenance, apparel, music, real estate, beauty, and whatever. So mine is about music. I'm going to be clicking in this option here, and then I'm going to be clicking on next. Now, what do you want to do with your website? So if you're looking for promoting a physical business, getting appointments, or you're looking for publishing a blog, or offer the contact form, sell services, sell products, or you're looking for showcasing your work or expertise, build a community, promote an event or project, or you are looking for sell membership, collect donations, sell online courses, or sell on-demand videos. So now this is the third and the most important step, one of my favorite steps here. You are going to be choosing either you want to choose a template or you want to build a template. So if you're looking for much of a labor route and you have an idea of your own, then you're going to be choosing build a template. This option is going to help you build a template that is going to be fully innovative and nobody has ever created a website before by using the option of AI tools on Squarespace. But if you're looking for some idea from Squarespace according to the answers that you have given to the questions asked, so you're going to go click on this option of choosing. You see, according to the answers that I have selected or the options that I have chosen, it has given me 14 different templates and you can choose any of these. So let's just say I am looking for this one and I like this one. Okay, here you see I can start with the design, or you can also play with different colors here for making some final touches or final adjustments. So let's see how these color combos work for me. Let's just choose this one first, or you're looking for this one, or you're looking for this one, or this one. It does not make any obvious changes, only the changes at the borders, you see. So let's just say I'm choosing this basic one. I'm going to be start with the design. It is going to set up the things for me within a few minutes. I don't mind waiting because all the options that are going to appear by editing the website are simply going to be very secure. So here you can edit your website here. Let's just say quickly edit the site title here. Click in this pencil. Here let's just say my music. Music is world. And yeah, that's it. If you choose it here, you can also add the logo, or if you don't have any logo, that is it. Or you can simply go click and exit if you don't want to save it. After that, you're going to go to the options of pages. Here you can also add a blog post to your main navigation or to your not linked account. Let's just say I'm going to click a blog page here. Click in this option of blog page. Here it is going to add a blog here. It might take a few minutes to load a blog for you, to add images to your blog, and start by uploading them to your Squarespace. You can upload the images from your computer, or you can add them from your external sources like Unsplash, or you can also use Getty Images. So adding the images to your blog post is going to help you create an innovative idea. You can use the built-in image editing tools to create, to resize, to crop, or you can also align your image. It takes a few minutes to load the template, and after it loads the template, it is going to help you. Let me just show you another blog post here. I must have created one that I'm looking for. Let's just see if this one has some blog. So yeah, this is how you are going to go to your blog page, and where you will be able to add new images to your blog. Okay, this side trial has expired. Let's just try it on this one. Mine was this one here. These were the blog posts. I have chosen this blog. After choosing the blog, it is going to appear here in the main navigation. I have created it in the main navigation. You could also create one here, but since mine is in the main navigation, I am going to name it ABC and enter. You can go to this cog icon here. You can make the necessary changes after it saves your blog here. I'm going to be clicking on yeah. Now this is my blog content. You can go to this option of plus icon. When you click in this option of plus icon, you can go to this here. You can enter the post title here. Let's just say mine is ABC. You can write here, music is my world. And that's it. Now you're going to be editing some pictures. So you see, let me just show you guys again. Here you see there's an option of plus icon. I'm going to be clicking in this. There you see the option of images. You can add in images from uploading it from the library or from browsing the stock images. Let's just say from the library. You can click on stock images. Here you will be adding an image. You can add this image. So this is how you're going to add the image to your blog post on Squarespace.com. If you encounter issues with uploading images or formatting, referring to the Squarespace documentations, why won't my images upload, or how do I add background images to my blog, you can consult to your Squarespace issues with while encountering. You can go to your FAQs. So the process is very simple and easy. You can simply go edit or replace it. You can add a caption, or you can make all the necessary changes. So this is how you're going to add an image to your blog post. The process is very simple and easy, and I hope you guys that this was easy for you. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.